चलिए आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज सेट 3.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 द टेम्परेचर इन द हाई altitude desert of Ladakh is recorded 4 degrees Celsius at noon. By midnight it drops by 15 degrees Celsius. What is the midnight temperature? Given initial temperature, that is in noon. So here we have given initial temperature at noon is equal to what? 4 degrees Celsius. Dropped dropped temperature is equal to 15 degree Celsius. 15 degree Celsius. Therefore, midnight temperature is 4 degrees Celsius minus 15 degree Celsius, which is equal to minus 11 degree Celsius. If we subtract a big number from small number, then answer is always a depth. Depth means what? Negative. Next question, number 2. A spice trader takes a loan debt of rupees 850. The next day he makes a profit fortune of rupees 1200. The following week he incurs a loss of rupees 450. Write this sequence as an equation using integers and calculate his final financial standing. So before solving this question, we should know this term, what is debt, what is fortune. We already discussed. Debt means minus, whereas fortune means positive, that is addition. Now with the help of this we can generate a equation. So spice trader takes a loan, that is debt of rupees 850. So required equation is minus 850 plus fortune of rupees 1200 means plus 1200. The following week he incurs a loss. Loss means again debt, minus 450. If we solve this equation, this is a required sequence as an equation. Calculate his financial standing. To calculate his financial standing, we have to solve this. So if we solve this, you will get minus 100. So minus 100 means what? Here minus means debt. So what is his financial standing? His financial standing is a debt of rupees 100. So his financial standing is a debt of rupees 100. Means he has a loss of rupees 100. So remember, in this question, debt means negative, fortune means plus. Thank you. Now next question number 3. Calculate the following using Brahmagupta's law. What are the Brahmagupta's law that we already discussed in my video number 2? So for first question, a debt times fortune is a debt. We should know debt means negative and fortune means positive. So debt times fortune is a debt. So this is equal to what? Minus 60. Yes. Second law, debt times debts is a fortune. Debt times debt is what? Fortune. So minus 8 into minus 7. That is debt into debt, fortune. 8 into 7, 56. Third law, subtracting debt from 0 is a fortune. Subtracting debt from 0 is a fortune. So 0, debt into debt, fortune. So 0 plus 14, 14. And last, a debt divided by fortune is a debt. So minus 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Next question, question number 4. Explain using a real world example of debt why subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. For example, 10 minus negative 5, that is equals 15. So we have to explain this with the help of real world example. So let's have this example. Suppose Ram has rupees 1000 in his bank account, but he owe a rupees 100 debt for a forgotten subscription. If the bank decides to cancel that debt, then new account balance of Ram is 1000 minus 100 equals rupees 1100. Now, in this example, Ram owe rupees 100 debt for a forgotten subscription. In financial terms, this debt is represented as a negative balance of rupees 100. Next, now bank decides to cancel or remove the debt. It means they are subtracting that negative value from his account. They are removing this amount, that is charge amount, debt of rupees 100 from his account. So what will happen? Then Ram has rupees 1100 in his account. Now bank decides to cancel or remove that debt. They are subtracting the negative value from his account. What is the mathematical representation? The mathematical representation of removing this debt is new balance is equal to 1000 minus 100, which is equal to 1000 minus into minus plus. So 1000 plus 100, which is equal to rupees 1100.